Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Unboxing by Ashna. My name is Ashna and today we will be unboxing the January 2021 BOXYCharm base box. This is my first BOXYCharm and I'm very excited, so let's get started. First off, this is my free gift that came with my box. This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette by Iconic London. This is a highlight and blush palette with 6 velvety face powders. Next, we have the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss, which retails for $34. This palette comes with 12 colors that can create an olive smoky eye look and is packed with a few different formulas, such as creamy mattes and metallics. The third item that we have is this Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer by Pharmacy. The retail price is $38. This is an oil-free and silicone-free, lightweight daily moisturizer. The moisturizer itself has a greenish tint. Next, we have this Bi-Phase Rejuvenating Micellar Water by Avant Skincare that makes removing makeup more easy, retailing for $90. And this has a bluish tint to it. And this Dragon Duo Eyeliner Set by Queen Studios comes with a semi-waterproof marker eyeliner and a pencil liner that can create those sharp cat eye looks. This item retails for $28. Finally, retailing for $25, we have this Apple and Balm Lip Mask by Seraphine Botanicals, which boosts hydration and glow. It's formulated with shea butter, apricot and jojoba and rosehip oils to keep your lips chap-free. Those are all the items that came in my Fresh Start BOXYCharm. Thank you for joining me today in unboxing the January 2021 BOXYCharm base box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more unboxing videos. Bye bye!